To set the time on a FireWatch Series Notifier panel, we'll start by pressing the menu. Notice right now it says 9:02 p.m. The date format is day, month, year, so it's saying July 1st, 2023. Go into the programming mode, which is selection 2. You can access this with the user password, which is typically all ones. Scroll down to System, then scroll down. As long as you see this arrow pointing down, there's more. Date time is selection 1. Change the time. Current time is 7:32 a.m. Select 1 for AM. Select 2 for date. The current date is 06/25/2024. When you're done, hit Escape to get out of the menu. It'll save the configuration and do a reset.